In this lesson on how to read music on your cello, you will learn what the fourth finger plays in the first position across all four strings. So let's begin. This is the D. It looks like that. This is a G, the fourth finger on the D string. Moving over to the G string, the fourth finger plays the C natural. And the lowest string, the fourth finger plays the F natural. These notes in solfège, descending go Ré, Sol, Do, Fa. And ascending, Fa, Do, Sol, Ré. It's important to make the distinction because these notes appear in spaces just below the line. So the fourth finger on the D string, that G, appears in this space just right below the A. The same thing goes for the C and the F.